Cars are expensive, but fixing them? That's where it really hurts. The average American spends over $1,000 a year just on car repairs and maintenance. But here's the thing. You can keep a lot of that money in your pocket if you know a few insider secrets. Today I'm sharing 10 car repair tips and tricks that mechanics don't always tell you, but will save you serious cash every single year. Let's dive in. 1. Do your own oil change. Oil changes at the shop can run $50 to $100, but doing it yourself costs half that, sometimes less. All you need is a wrench, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and 30 minutes. Pro tip, buy oil and filters in bulk when they're on sale. You'll save even more. 2. Learn to replace air filters. A mechanic might charge $30 to $60 for this, but replacing an engine or cabin air filter is often as simple as opening a clip and swapping it out. Check your owner's manual. You might be shocked how easy it is. 3. Use OBD scanners before the mechanic. The check engine light doesn't mean panic. It means diagnose me. A $25 Bluetooth OBD-II scanner can read the error code on your phone so you know if it's something urgent or just a loose gas cap. Knowledge is power, and power saves money. 4. Rotate your tires yourself. Tire rotation at a shop? $25 to $50. Doing it at home? Free. All you need is a jack stands, and a torque wrench. Rotate every 5,000 to 6,000 miles to make your tires last longer. Save hundreds over time. 5. Replace wiper blades at home shops might charge $20 to $40 for each wiper. Buy them online for half the price. Follow the instructions on the package, and you're done in 5 minutes. Bonus, you'll see better in the rain. 6. Learn basic brake pad. Replacement brake jobs can cost $300 plus. But if you can follow a YouTube tutorial, you can replace pads for under $80 per axle. Just be sure to buy quality pads and use proper safety gear. 7. Don't skip fluid checks. Coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid. These keep your car alive. Ignoring them can turn a $15 fluid top-up into a $1,500 repair. A quick monthly check can save you thousands. 8. Buy parts. Online often mark up parts 50 to 100%. Websites like Rock Auto, Amazon, or even eBay Motors can sell OEM parts for a fraction of the price. You can even bring your own parts to some mechanics. Just ask first. 9. Keep a maintenance log. Knowing exactly when you last changed something stops you from paying for work you don't need. Plus, it boosts resale value. Buyers love a well-documented service history. 10. Build a relationship with one mechanic. Jumping between random shops means you're just another invoice. Sticking with one trusted mechanic often gets you discounts, faster service, and honest advice, because you're a regular. There you go. 10 car repair secrets that will keep more cash in your wallet every year. Cars will always need care, but the more you know, the less you'll spend. Which of these tips have you already tried? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. Your car and your wallet will thank you.